Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Notes music features not showing. To start the process, hold your Instagram application and tap on App Info. Here tap on Storage Usage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Then tap on Clear Data. Here tap on OK. Now go back and open your Play Store. Here search for Instagram. Here you need to update your Instagram application. After that, open your Instagram application. Go to your DMs. Here tap on the plus icon. Now tap on Music icon. Then select any music from the given list. Now tap on Share. Your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.